guys, Mike Volkin here with Freelancer Masterclass.com. Before we get started, you know I love the sponsors. They're the ones who keep this great content going. So this is with Cover.ai is my sponsorship. And it's portable benefits for gig workers. So you get paid time off, sick leave, 24/7 health service, legal protection, all sorts of great stuff. So go ahead and check them out. And now we're going to get to our content. So today's topic is how to find your identity as a freelancer. So many freelancers come to me and they don't truly understand. They know what they do, but they don't truly understand who they are and how they fit into their industry and what type of identity they go after. So I'm going to make this really, really simple. Even if you're an experienced freelancer, watch this video and try to pick out which of the three that you are. So there's three different main identities, and you can be one, but you can't be two or three, okay? You can either be good, you can either be fast, or you can either be cheap. There are agencies that will do any one of those three, but they specialize in one of them. Like there's a premium agency, there's premium freelancers that charge a higher price. They don't say they're fast, they certainly don't say they're cheap. And then on the flip side of that, there's also agencies and freelancers who promise to get things done really fast. So for example, I know an agency that builds landing pages in 24 hours. They promise that they get WordPress landing pages done in 24 hours. That's what they do. That's all they offer. They don't say that they're specifically any good. They're very template-ish, actually. They're okay. But they also don't say they're cheap. Okay? And then on the flip side of all those two are the cheap ones. These are usually the ones that are the overseas freelancers who are trying to get work in America or North America somewhere. They try to offer like SEO services for like $5 an hour or virtual assistants for $4 an hour, right? When you're doing that, you are targeting a very specific type of person, someone who wants someone who's very low cost, who doesn't necessarily need good work. Everybody wants good, fast work cheap, but it's not going to happen. You have to focus on one of these three and then know that that's your lane. So if you want to be a premium freelancer, don't start your career or grow your career trying to be the low ball cheap guy. If you want to be a premium freelancer, don't promise a client something that's outside of your comfort zone in terms of speed. Okay, so look at these three right now. If you know which one you are, great. If you don't, find your identity. I'll tell you right now, I'm in the good category. I'm going after the premium price. I've been doing this a long time. Clients that come to me are willing to pay a premium price, but they also have very high standards on who they hire. Okay. Any other prospect that comes to me, if they're looking for something fast, I discount them. You know, not discount them in price. I discount them meaning go find somebody else. Anybody that looks to me trying to lowball an offer or saying they only have a certain budget that's way outside, like, hey, can you work for $40 an hour even though I'm $190 or $250? No way. So it helps you immediately get rid of prospects without wasting your time. And once you realize that you're in one of these three categories, you can reduce your discovery calls and thus the time you spend trying to get clients considerably. Okay? So find out if you're good, fast, or cheap. All right, hope that helps. Good luck.